Hello, DRDO successfully conducted hypersonic technology, scramjet Indian ground test. Coming into the details, Defense Research and Development Laboratory, which is a short form known as DRDL, a Hyderabad-based laboratory of Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has taken an initiative in developing a long-duration supersonic combustion ramjet or scramjet-powered hypersonic technology. DRDL recently developed these technologies and demonstrated a cutting-edge active-cooled scramjet combustor ground test for 120 seconds for the first time in India. The successful ground test marks a crucial milestone in developing next-generation hypersonic missiles. Hypersonic missiles are a class of advanced weaponry that travel at speeds greater than the speed of sound, that is 5 times the speed of sound or more than 5,400 kilometers per hour. These advanced weapons have the potential to bypass existing air defense systems and deliver rapid and high-impact strikes. Several nations including United States of America, Russia, India and China are actively pursuing hypersonic technology. The key to hypersonic vehicles is scramjets, which are air-breathing engines capable of sustaining combustion at hypersonic speeds without using any moving parts. The ground tests of scramjet's combustor showcased several notable achievements, demonstrating its potential for operational use in hypersonic vehicle, like successful ignition and stable combustion. Ignition in a scramjet engine is like keeping a candle light in a hurricane. Scramjet combustor incorporates an innovative flame stabilization technique that holds continuous flames inside the combustor with air speed in excess of 1.5 kilometers per second. Many novel and promising ignition and flame holding techniques were studied through many ground tests in arriving at scramjet engine configuration. Advanced computational fluid dynamics simulations tools were used for this evaluation and performance predictions. Okay, thank you.
Here's your Radhika signing off with Tilus.